spelled D-O-U-E-T. Douet or Dowet? I'm not real sure, to be quite honest. Not real sure. We haven't even gotten to the city limits yet. Now we're officially in historic St. Martinville, Louisiana, the birthplace of Acadiana, and there's a big fire right over there. That's where everybody's going. There's a big fire over there. A big fire. Holy mackerel.